Is Telegram down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Telegram right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. Many people are complaining that are having issues. It's not working properly. So if you go to your Twitter and then if you search for Telegram down, and then if you go to most recent, you will see that many people have issues with it. As you can see, this guy right here said Telegram is down. Also here, Telegram is down. So as you can see, you are not the only one who has problems with Telegram right now. They will fix this as soon as possible, I'm sure of it. This is a problem from them. You don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. You can also comment in the comment section down below what specific problems do you have, and I'll make sure to answer to your questions and try to help you out with this problem with Telegram right now. If you want to try to fix it, you can restart your device. You can also log out and then log in again and see if it works. So if you do have issues with it, like I said, you can comment, you can like this video if it was useful, and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic and for some more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.